Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy TikTok marketing campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding your target audience is the first step in deploying a TikTok marketing campaign. Identify the demographics, interests, and behaviors of the audience you wish to engage. Next, set clear objectives for your campaign. Determine whether you want to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or boost sales. Create a TikTok business account if you haven't already. Visit the TikTok Ads Manager and click on Create an Ad. Choose the appropriate campaign objective that aligns with your goals. Once you've selected your objective, set a budget for your campaign. Decide on a daily or lifetime budget based on your marketing strategy. Next, select your target audience using TikTok's robust targeting options. You can specify age, gender, location, interests, and even behavior patterns. After defining your audience, choose your ad placements. You can opt for automatic placements or manually select where you want your ads to appear. Then, create engaging ad content that aligns with TikTok's creative style. Consider using trending sounds or challenges to capture attention. Utilize TikTok's creative tools, such as effects and text overlays, to make your ad visually appealing. Once your ad content is ready, upload it to the Ads Manager. Fill in all the necessary fields, including the ad name, text, and any relevant URLs. Review your ad settings to ensure everything is aligned with your campaign goals. Click on Submit to launch your campaign. Monitor your ad performance regularly through the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard. Analyze metrics such as impressions, clicks, and conversion rates to measure success. Make necessary adjustments based on your performance data. If needed, tweak your targeting options or alter your ad creative to improve engagement. Continue to optimize your campaign for the best results. Keep an eye on trends in the TikTok community to stay relevant. Be prepared to adapt your strategy based on audience feedback and engagement. As your campaign progresses, gather insights to inform future campaigns. Use the data collected to refine your approach and replicate successful elements in new campaigns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.